Did you know that in the year 2023, technology is on track to help reduce 1 gigaton of carbon equivalent emissions annually by 2030? That's the equivalent of removing over 200 million cars from our roads each year. Isn't that amazing? Now, you might wonder, what's the driving force behind this revolution? The answer is geospatial technology, an often overlooked hero in the fight against climate change. Let's dive a little deeper into this. Geospatial technology, employing spatial data and information about Earth, is aiding our society in shaping a more sustainable future. Imagine a world where we make the best use of the sun's power, where transport doesn't harm our environment and the air we breathe doesn't pose a risk to our health. That's the world geospatial technology is actively. Key areas where this technology has considerable impact are solar energy and clean transportation. Let's talk about solar energy first. By utilizing geospatial data, we are now able to identify the best possible locations for installing solar panels. These are areas that receive maximum sunlight and are least likely to be obstructed, thereby maximizing their efficiency. This lessens our dependency on fossil fuels and helps us reduce carbon emissions. Now let's move on to transportation. Geospatial technology is aiding us in designing more efficient paths for vehicles. This results in less fuel consumption and decreased emissions. It's like having an intelligent GPS system that guides you from one place to another in the most environmentally friendly way. But that's not the end of it. Geospatial technology is also addressing health and safety issues related to climate change. It's assisting us in monitoring air pollution levels and tracking pollen allergies. This allows us to take necessary precautions and minimize health risks. And we must not overlook our precious natural resources. Geospatial technology provides real-time monitoring of conservation efforts, safeguarding our forests, oceans, and wildlife from the damaging effects of climate change. To summarize, geospatial technology is significantly contributing to reducing carbon emissions. It's aiding us in shifting to cleaner energy sources, creating eco-friendly transportation routes, addressing health and safety issues, and safeguarding our natural resources. It's not only about rescuing our planet, it's about crafting a sustainable for all. We may still have a long journey ahead, but it's encouraging to see technology being utilized for the greater good. After all, a cleaner, greener world is not just a dream, but a possibility within our reach.